All right, guys, I'm back. I'm outside, right? I just want to show you, this is a chair that I made with the fabric of Louis Vuitton. So I have my vanity chair of Louis Vuitton. Anybody can do this. Get some fabric, get a scarf, whatever you guys have of the print that you like, and you can make this yourself. You buy the chair pretty cheap. You can pick them up in a secondhand store, a yard sale, anything. You could buy them brand new in the store. I think the chairs cost like $10, $20 for these type. I'm going to show you right here. And all you just do is take the seat off and put the fabric. That's all you do. And the chair was $34.99. Hold on. $34.99. You could find them cheaper than that. But I only paid like a couple of dollars for this chair. It was brand new. And then to seal it too, you put the plastic on top. Then you staple it so you can always have this nice and clean. You don't have to wash this or anything because it's sealed with the plastic. And you can always sit on it and don't worry about getting it dirty or anything. You just wipe the plastic clean. Don't mind me. I have gloves on, guys. All right. I'll see everyone later. Bye. That's the DIY for today.